So guys, this is IFB Power Steam 10 kg model. This comes with 10 years warranty of the motor. This is the inlet pipe you are seeing on the screen, and this is the outlet pipe you are seeing. From here the water goes outside. On the lower you can see the stand. The currently machine is kept on the stand. This is the top load machine, so you can open the lid and see the tub is very big. As per our experience, the 10 kg size helps to a big family to wash their clothes very quickly. The sign till where you have to kept your clothes is around this is the filter which store your mud. You can see, you can see a little bit mud over here also. You can remove this filter and wash it time to time for the maintenance purpose of this machine. Now this is the knob from where you can control the programs as mentioned on the top side of the machine. Here all the program details have been written very clearly. So this is the screen, and on the right side you are seeing the power button and the star on off button. Feature contains extra large lint filter, inbuilt wheels, low pressure water fill. That means in the low pressure of the water also it will maintain the washing experience of clothes. And auto diagnose means if any error is there, then it will throw you some error screen. So these are the power and on off button. The triangle one, the bottom one is the on off button, and this one is the power button. I have just clicked on the power button. You can see the programs are there which are blinking on the screen, and generally it is on the smart sense by default, so it's sensing the clothes in the tub, and whatever weight of the clothes is there in the tub, it will sense and adjust the program accordingly if you have kept the knob on the smart sense. And if you don't want to use the smart sense, then other programs are also there like my cycle. So the my cycle by default is the one is will have the setting which you will set at once, and every time you will come back, it will use those settings only. And you can utilize this program for to wash some of your clothes at the same condition. Like you want to if you want to wash some clothes at one for 1 hour or so, or half an hour, or at some temperature, so you can set accordingly and you can use that my cycle again and again. And now you are having some delicate program. So as per the name you can make it out that some delicate clothes are there, so that you can wash on the delicates in express 30 also. Like the time machine will take only 30 minutes. So if you want to wash some quickly, then you can utilize the express 30. And then bulky sari and sports wear, all these programs will take more time, like around 1.5 hour or 2 hour. So accordingly you can utilize the programs as per your requirement. Mostly it is set on the smart sense only, and mixed daily is also there which you can use. So for the demo purpose, I have kept some clothes in the machine. So this is the sign, maximum sign I have told you earlier, till where you can keep your clothes. This is a detergent tray. Always use liquid detergent. That is good for your top load or front load machine. Don't use powder detergent. That can damage your machine. Now start the machine, and as I have set on the smart sense, see it is automatically sensing how much weight is there for the clothes, and it will also calculate how much weight it will be after wet clothes. So accordingly it will set the time and all. And see, from here your water is coming from the detergent tray, so that the detergent get dissolved quickly and very nicely with the here water. So after around 1 hour I have came back. So these are the my washed clothes. They are not completely dry. You need to hang them to properly get them dried. So that is the end result. So if you talk about the price of this machine cost us around 30 thousand rupees. After discount, MRP is 40,000. And after sale service is also very good for this machine of IFB model. If you want to buy, you can go for it. We have thumbs up experience for this machine. Thanks for watching.